Hi, this is Habib from Preston Audi, and this is the Audi SQ5. This model has a V6 TDI engine with 341 PS and the slick tiptronic gearbox, delivering a 0 to 60 time of just 5.1 seconds. This model has had one previous owner. With this being an approved used Audi model, it'll come with a minimum 1-year warranty, 1-year MOT, and 1-year roadside assistance. Starting at the front of the car, we have the S-Design body styling, including the aeronet grills, radiator grille and front bumper, giving this a menacing front end. While as standard, we have the striking matrix LED headlights, not only providing high quality illumination, but with the high beam assist, it means it can automatically raise it at the main beam, depending on the traffic. Moving around the side of the car, we have the stylish 20-inch 5 twin-spoke star design alloy wheels, which look amazing, and complement the stunning quantum grey paintwork perfectly, while there's also heated, electrically adjustable and folding aluminium effect door mirrors with integrated LED side indicators, aluminium side window trim strips, as well as aluminium roof rails, really setting off the stylish exterior look, while the rear privacy glass ensures there's extra security for your rear seat passengers. Moving inside, you'll see there's a spacious interior, with plenty of space for all passengers to sit comfortably, while on the fine nap leather upholstered seats, it means you can travel in luxury too. These are really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the ISOFIX points on the outer rear seats ensure your child seats will stay secure on the move. And if there's no middle seat passenger, there's also a fold-down armrest with 2 inbuilt cup holders, perfect for those long road trips, which we're sure you'll be able to do in this car with ease. Moving outside of the car and round to the back, we have LED rear lights with dynamic rear indicators, and as mentioned earlier, the enhanced exterior styling also includes a roof edge spoiler, rear bumper and rear diffuser, giving this a menacing overall look, while we also have the dual branch chrome tailpipes, which sound amazing, especially in dynamic mode. To access the boot, just double tap the button on the key or use a soft release on the power operated tailgate. This has a large boot with 510 litres of space, so there's plenty of room for adding your shopping or even a pushchair, while folding down the rear seats means you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flat pack furniture. And once you've loaded everything, just click the button on the power operated tailgate and it will close automatically. Overall, this is a really stylish performance SUV. While considering its age and mileage, it's definitely in excellent condition. Moving inside, you'll see there's an equally stylish interior. There's matte brushed aluminium inlays, which really uplift the interior ambience. Lower down, we have the automatic gearbox and electronic handbrake, really clearing up the interior for a clutter-free, stylish look. There's also front sport seats, upholstered in fine napa leather, which are not only plush, but also really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the electric adjustability means you can easily get into your favourite driving position every time you get into the car, with the electric lumbar support adding extra convenience on those longer journeys. There's also the massage function, allowing you to change the massage style and intensity, so you can have the extra comfort on those longer journeys. There's also automatic headlights with light and rain sensors, while on the doors we have the switches for the windows and electrically adjustable mirrors, as well as a switch for the power operated tailgate, so you can open the boot from inside. There's also the optional Bang & Olufsen sound system for the front and rear, which we'll come on to later. But this concludes the 360-degree walk around of the Audi SQ5. Now let's take a look at the interior from the driver's perspective. In front of you there's a flat bottom 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel with buttons to control the virtual cockpit you see ahead of you, as well as the infotainment display on the centre console. On the left hand side of the steering wheel we have these toggle switches which you can use to change the display ahead. We have general car information which can display consumption both short term and long term, as well as driver assist, so all the important information is displayed ahead of you. There's also DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, so you can easily find your destination, while if you click view you can change the size of those dials, really adding extra customizability for the display. This model has ridden 5,562 miles, while its warranty is still valid until the 22nd of July 2024. It will also come with the original set of 2 keys. As standard, we have the 10.1-inch multimedia interface Navigation Plus display screen, with functionalities such as DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, media controls with various sources such as Bluetooth and USB, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, so you can easily find a destination. There's also Audi smartphone interface, allowing you to connect to device media via wireless Apple Carplay or Android Auto, so streaming your favourite music or podcasts couldn't be easier. As standard, there's also Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the pre-configured modes. There's plenty of modes to choose from, such as off-road, efficiency, comfort, and auto, with individual allowing you to customise your options, such as a drive system. But our personal favourite is dynamic, as it's most driver focused. As mentioned earlier, there's also the massage function for the front seats, allowing you to change the massage style, such as wave, knead, and stretch, as well as the intensity, so you can really have the extra comfort and convenience on those longer journeys. Not only that, but there's also the optional extended LED interior lighting pack, so for head lights and vision and background lighting, you'll see the predefined colour modes. There's options such as Impulse, Maritime, and Caribbean, but you've also got individual, so if heading to surfaces and colours, you'll see the 30 different colour options to choose from to match your mood or vibe, so you can really add your personal touch to the interior. As mentioned earlier, there's also the Bang & Olufsen sound system, which you can tailor to your liking, so if heading to settings and sound, you can amend various settings, such as the treble and bass, so you can hear media in full clarity. Not only that, but there's also the optional 360-degree camera system, with plenty of views for the front, rear and side, which can change by the vehicle on the left hand side, or by using the toggles at the lower edge of the screen, and it will come really handy, especially when navigating through those tight spaces, while the front and rear dynamic guidelines ensure you can easily park into any parking space. Moving down, we have the display for the Deluxe 3's on electronic climate control, with tap controls for the passenger, rear passengers, and driver, with predictability to your liking. You can easily change the temperature, speed, and direction on the move without taking your eyes off the road, while we also have the added benefit of heated front seats, which will come really handy, especially on those cold winter mornings. Not only that, but as standard, we also have Audi's famous Quattro 4-wheel drive system, so you can be reassured that you'll receive the same driving experience under any condition. This was the walk around of the Audi SQ5. If you'd like to reviewing, test drive, or request a personalised finance quote, please contact us on 0772 911 331. Thank you for watching.